15 to the power 6 times 12 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 9 times 6 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 11 times 3 to the power 14 times 5 to the power 4. We have to solve this without using calculator. So 15 we can write it as 5 times 3, then whole raised to the power 6, then times 12 is 6 times 2 whole to the power 4, then times 5 to the power 9 times 6 to the power 4 upon 10 we can write it as 5 times 2 whole to the power 11, then times 3 to the power 14, then times 5 to the power 4. And there is an identity: if a times b whole raised to the power m, this is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. So this will be 5 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 9 times 6 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 11 times 3 to the power 14 times 5 to the power 4. Now there is an identity: if a to the power m times a to the power n, then this is equal to a to the power m plus n. Therefore, it will be 5 to the power 6 times 5 to the power 9 as 5 to the power 6 plus 9 times 6 to the power 4 times 6 to the power 4 as 6 to the power 4 plus 4 times 3 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 11 times 5 to the power 4 as 5 to the power 11 plus 4 times 2 to the power 11 times 3 to the power 14, or 5 to the power 15 times 6 to the power 8 times 3 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 15 times 2 to the power 11 times 3 to the power 14. And these two like factors we can cancel. Also, if a to the power m upon a to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m minus n. Therefore, 6 to the power 8, this we can write it as 3 times 2 whole to the power 8 times 3 to the power 6 minus 14 times 2 to the power 4 minus 11, or 3 to the power 8 times 2 to the power 8 times, this will be 3 to the power minus 8 times 2 to the power 7, or 3 to the power 8 plus minus 8 times 2 to the power 8 minus 7. 3 to the power 8 minus 8 is 3 to the power 0 times 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. A to the power 0 value is 1. So 3 to the power 0 value is 1 times 2. Answer is 2. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.